So, hi guys. So today I'm going to be showing you my cats and my house tour. Not at my actual house, but I will be. But I just want to show you like what my old one looks like because it's really important to me because we moved out of it because I had problems with my uncle. As you know, I have a lot of problems with people. Yeah, but not really. So, oh my god, guys. Look at this nasty bug. Ew. Look at that nasty bug. That is a nasty bug. That's one of those pincher bugs. It's an earwig. Ew. Okay. Leaving that. So this is the dryer and washer room. So yeah, and this was not the living room. This was the dining room, but then we moved out into an apartment in Pekin. But this is the kitchen. That's the kitchen. Hold on, let me turn on the lights so you guys can see it. But this is the kitchen. That's the living room. Yeah, that's the kitchen. As you can see, it's really pretty. Look at our beautiful fridge. It's polished. That's our freezer. There's our cat. Look at, isn't he pretty? There's the cat litter. That is the living room. But my brother just stays there for now. He sits on the couch. There's all of our shoes, if you can see. Because I have all the blinds closed in here. There's the blinds. There's all of the shoes, if you can see that over there. Because everybody likes to close the blinds for some reason. But, yeah. There is all the internet stuff. There's my brother's stuff. All that. That's Phoenix. And there's his couch, there's his iPad and everything. Phoenix! Hi, baby. I'm going to open the door so you guys can, like, actually see her. She can't right now, but hey, look. That's my porch. We live in Peoria, so yeah. I'm not saying the location, but yeah. I don't want people coming to my house right out the blue and be like, "Hey, are you Erin? Are you the girl in the thing in the YouTube channel?" This is Phoenix, and she's so pretty. She's so pretty. Her name's Phoenix, and she's 2 years old. Actually, she's 3 now. Lewis is the one who's 2. Lewis, are you 2? Okay, so now I need to find the kitten. Where she's at. But this is my uncle's room. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm just going to open the blinds. Because you can barely see in here enough as it is. There's the bed. There's his dresser. This is his big fat TV, okay? That's where stuff used to be. But this is the bathroom. See our gigantic bathtub? Hey, there's me. Oh, follow me on Snapchat, Erin Alyssa1626. Yeah. That's the shower. There's a toilet, of course, because everybody has a toilet in their house. And yeah. So yeah, and oh, here's the closet. It's huge. Yeah. Okay, now. Okay, I don't know why that just zoomed in all of a sudden. My baby kitty, she's in there. But here's the closet of my cousin's old room. Pretty big. And okay, so I'm going to show you the whole room. We painted it blue. That is the whole room. You want to see the kitty? She's my baby, to be honest. My kitten, Pippi. she adorable? She's so adorable. See the small head. Pippi, introduce yourself. Here, so you guys can see her fully. Pippi. There she is. She's so cute. She's the most adorable kitten ever. Pippi. See, she's so cute. Okay, now to my old room. There's another bathroom. Here, I'll tell you why. There's another bathroom. I was cleaning this bathroom because I don't live here no more, and I'm just here because my aunt dropped me off because she doesn't have time to take me back to the apartment. And I'm 15 and I don't have a driver's license yet. I don't have a car yet. But there you go. There's the bathroom. Hey, there's us. Yeah. So now we're going back in here where we originally started when I did all my other videos. But yeah. So yeah. And here's the closet. Yeah, we had the biggest closet in here, so. Follow me on Instagram. It's Aaron Savage. Yeah. But yeah. Yeah, we painted our room gray because, yeah. We had a bunk bed right there. But now we have our bunk bed down. But yeah, here's the full room. Our room was pretty big. Yeah. Living room. Trying to see if my aunt's still here, but not. Oh, I got the hiccups. But yeah. I'll show you the porch. So just open the door. Here's the porch. But yeah. Pretty quiet. You can hear cicadas. Oh my gosh, my babies. I'm growing flowers. Something's over here. What is that? Ew. Something's over here. I'm not going down there to see what it is. And there's a huge spider over here. So yeah, we're going back inside because I'm not getting bit by a spider. There's my babies. Phoenix, what are you doing? Trying to fix my hair. But yeah, there's Phoenix. Girl, don't you dare bite me. I will slap the fuck right out you. She's a bit of a brat. It's funny playing with her. Oh, you want to see something cool? She likes to be brushed. Here's the brush that we brush her with. All the cats like to be brushed, even Lewis, but yeah. She's so cute. I don't know how... You got a big head. I'm sorry, you do. I know, I'm sorry doing all these ugly faces. I know I'm ugly, but I don't really care what you think. I'm 15 years old. I'm in high school. I don't really give a fuck what you say, dude. Like, if a little kid were to come up to me and say, you're ugly, I'd be like, I don't really care. But yeah. If you guys think I'm ugly, I don't really give a fuck what you say. So yeah. You can suck my dick. But yeah. I'm just kidding about sucking my dick part. I'm just funny and naturally nasty like that. I'm just kidding. But in a little bit, we're going to be going to the apartment. So yeah. Bye, guys. Love you.